So this to this looks incredibly easy. And conceptually, the concept is simple, but it isn't easy. And I think it's really important at this phase in your practice to distinguish the difference between simple and easy. It is conceptually incredibly simple to do a 4-petal, and like conceptually all you do, so this is where the all you do is comes in, right? All you do is move your arm in the opposite direction that the poi is moving, and you can make these 4 petals really brilliantly. In reality, it takes many hours of practice. So I think keeping in mind the difference between simple and easy is very helpful in the practice, because something can look deceptively simple. I think the basic stall drill is another really great example. Oh, all you do is just alternate stalling right, then left, then right, then left, and then you stall left, then right, then left, then right in split time, and that's all you do. Simple concept, not easy to execute. And so I would encourage you to remember that just because it looked simple doesn't mean it will actually be easy, even if you understand the concept and the simplicity of the concept. It makes sense that this is one of those things that fell into the category of, I thought I should be able to do this quicker, but it just didn't work out that way.